lamang natin sa paliparang pagdaigdig ng Ninoy Aquino maligayang pagdating sa Maynila. Tayo'y patungo sa NAIA Terminal 2 para sa inyong maayos at ligtas na pagbaba. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt signs are switched on. May we remind you to check areas around you for any items you might leave behind. For passengers who need assistance, please detain left. Our cabin crew and ground staff will be happy to assist you. If you have onward connection on top flights, please proceed to the transfer desk. Passengers taking top flights departing from the NIA Terminal 1 may avail of our free shuttle service. Our ground personnel will be happy to assist you.